The meniscus is a C-shaped piece of cartilage that acts as a cushion between the shin bone, tibia, and thigh bone, femur. Each knee has two menisci. Also referred to as a cartilage tear, a meniscus tear can occur as a result of a forceful twist or rotation of the knee. Symptoms and signs of a meniscus tear: a popping sensation when the injury occurs, swelling or stiffness, pain, especially when twisting or rotating the knee, difficulty fully straightening the knee, locked feeling when trying to move the knee.